Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove multiple Facebook friends at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then hit Add menu icon and select Friends. On that page, hit Add Your Friends and it shows you your friends list, and over the internet you can find different services that offer you to delete all friends at once, but I do not recommend you to use these services because you have to give them your login information, including your login and password, and if the service is unreliable you may lose your account by using that services. So the only way to remove friends from your Facebook profile is hit right here at three dots icon and then select unfriend that user. It asks, are you sure to want to remove that user as your friend? If you want to remove them, just hit at confirm. There is one more way how you can remove all your Facebook friends at once, is to actually remove your Facebook account, but this option is not suitable for everyone. So if you want to remove your friends, the only way is to remove them one by one. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.